venturing into the wild is a thrilling experience. It connects us with nature's raw beauty, but it also comes with risks. Wild animals are unpredictable. Understanding their behavior is crucial for safety. Most animals avoid humans. We are not their natural prey. Attacks happen when animals feel threatened or cornered. Knowing how to react can save your life. Respecting their space is key. Observe from a distance. Avoid making loud noises or sudden movements. Remember, we are visitors in their home. Sharks are apex predators of the ocean. Their powerful presence commands respect. Though attacks are rare, knowing how to behave around them is vital. Avoid swimming in murky water or near fishing activity. Sharks are attracted to splashing and shiny objects. Stay calm if you encounter a shark. Move slowly and deliberately. Avoid making eye contact. If attacked, target vulnerable areas like the eyes and gills. Fight back with whatever you have. Remember, most shark encounters are non-fatal. Staying calm and knowing how to react increases your chances of survival. Big cats like lions and tigers evoke both awe and fear. These magnificent creatures are symbols of power and grace, yet they are also apex predators with instincts finely tuned for hunting. Their presence in the wild commands respect and caution. Their predatory instincts are honed over millennia. Lions, often referred to as the kings of the jungle, and tigers, the largest of the big cats, have evolved to be incredibly efficient hunters. Their sharp claws, powerful jaws, and keen senses make them formidable. Encounters are rare but require caution. Maintain eye contact. If you find yourself face to face with a big cat, it's crucial to stay calm. Panic can provoke an attack. Instead, try to assess the situation and remember the steps to ensure your safety. Never turn your back or run. Running can trigger their chase instinct, making you appear as prey. Stand your ground, and if the animal doesn't seem aggressive, slowly back away while keeping it in your sight. Running triggers their chase instinct. Big cats are incredibly fast and can outrun humans easily. By running, you increase the likelihood of a predatory response. Instead, focus on appearing non-threatening and confident. Make yourself appear larger by raising your arms and spreading your jacket. This can make you seem more intimidating to the animal. The goal is to convince the big cat that you are not worth the effort of an attack. Speak in a loud, firm voice. This can help assert your presence and deter the animal from approaching. Avoid high-pitched screams, as they can be interpreted as distress signals, which might attract the predator. This shows you are not an easy target. Predators often look for easy prey, and by standing your ground and making yourself appear larger, you signal that you are not vulnerable. Back away slowly while facing the animal. This allows you to keep an eye on the big cat's movements and react if it decides to approach. Slow, deliberate movements are less likely to provoke an attack. Avoid direct eye contact, which can be seen as a challenge. Remember, prevention is key. Stick to designated paths. Big cats are less likely to be found in areas frequented by humans. By staying on marked trails, you reduce the risk of an unexpected encounter. Be aware of your surroundings and travel in groups when possible. Groups are less likely to be targeted by predators. Always inform someone of your plans and carry necessary safety equipment. Respect the wildlife and their habitat, and they will respect you in return. From elephants to rhinoceroses, large mammals demand our respect. These magnificent creatures are not only a sight to behold, but also play crucial roles in their ecosystems. However, their sheer size and strength mean that encounters with them can be dangerous if not handled properly. Their size and power can be intimidating. It's essential to remember that these animals are wild and unpredictable. They have evolved to survive in harsh environments, and their physical capabilities are a testament to their resilience. Understanding their behavior is crucial. By learning about their habits and signals, we can better predict their actions and avoid potentially dangerous situations. Wildlife experts spend years studying these animals to ensure both human and animal safety. Elephants are generally peaceful but can become aggressive if threatened. They are highly social animals with complex family structures. When an elephant feels its family is in danger, it will not hesitate to defend them. Pay attention to their body language. An elephant's ears, trunk, and overall posture can tell you a lot about its mood. For instance, flapping ears can be a sign of agitation or an attempt to cool down. Flapping ears and a raised trunk signal agitation. If you notice these signs, it's best to slowly and calmly move away. Never turn your back on an elephant or run as this can trigger a chase. Rhinoceroses have poor eyesight, but a keen sense of smell. Keep a safe distance. These animals rely heavily on their sense of smell to detect threats and navigate their environment. If charged, try to dodge to the side. Rhinos can run at impressive speeds, but their bulk makes it difficult for them to change direction quickly. They have difficulty turning quickly. Bulls are unpredictable. Male rhinos, especially during mating season, can be particularly aggressive and territorial. Avoid approaching or provoking them. Always respect warning signs and guidelines provided by wildlife parks and reserves. These rules are in place to protect both visitors and the animals. If charged, throw something to distract the bull and create a chance to escape. Remember, respect their space. Observe from a distance. It's always better to prevent an encounter than to react to one. Do not approach or feed them. Feeding wild animals can alter their natural behaviors and make them more aggressive towards humans. Always admire these magnificent creatures from a safe and respectful distance. Section 5. Silent predators and venomous threats dealing with reptiles. Reptiles are fascinating creatures, but they can also pose significant dangers if not respected and understood. In this section, we will explore the behaviors and characteristics of some of the most common reptiles you might encounter in the wild, and how to stay safe around them. Snakes and alligators are masters of camouflage. Their ability to blend into their surroundings makes them nearly invisible to the untrained eye. This natural adaptation helps them avoid predators and surprise their prey. Their presence can go unnoticed until it's too late. A hiker might walk right past a snake without ever realizing it, or an alligator might be lurking just beneath the water's surface, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Understanding their behavior is crucial for safety. By learning about their habits, preferred habitats, and warning signs, you can significantly reduce the risk of a dangerous encounter. When hiking in snake territory, make noise. Snakes are generally more afraid of you than you are of them, and they will often slither away if they hear you coming. Use a walking stick to tap the ground and rustle leaves as you go. Wear long pants and sturdy boots. This simple precaution can protect you from snake bites, as most snakes will strike at the lower legs. Thick fabric and tough boots can make a significant difference. Avoid putting your hands in crevices or under rocks. These are common hiding spots for snakes and other reptiles. Always look before you reach and use a stick to check these areas if necessary. If you encounter an alligator, keep your distance. Never feed them. Feeding alligators can make them lose their natural fear of humans, leading to more aggressive behavior. Always observe from a safe distance and respect their space. They are most aggressive during mating season. During this time, male alligators are particularly territorial and can become very dangerous if they feel threatened. Be extra cautious around water bodies during this period. If attacked, fight back with everything you have. Use any available objects to defend yourself, aim for the eyes and snout, and make as much noise as possible to deter the animal. Remember, most snakes are not venomous. While it's important to be cautious, it's also helpful to know that the majority of snakes you encounter are harmless. Learning to identify different species can help you stay calm and make informed decisions. If bitten by a venomous snake, stay calm. Panic can increase your heart rate and spread the venom more quickly. Try to remain as still as possible and keep the affected limb immobilized. Restrict movement and seek immediate medical attention. Apply a pressure bandage if you know how, and get to a hospital as quickly as possible. Time is of the essence in treating snake bites, so don't delay. Section 6. A hive of activity staying safe around stinging insects. Bees and wasps play a crucial role in the ecosystem. However, their stings can be painful and even deadly for those with allergies. Avoid wearing bright colors and strong perfumes, which attract bees. If you encounter a hive, stay calm and move away slowly. If attacked, cover your face and run. Do not jump into water. Bees and wasps will wait for you to resurface. Remember, carry a sting relief kit if you are allergic to bee stings. Seek medical attention immediately if you experience difficulty breathing or swelling. Section 7. Prepared for the unexpected. Essential tips for wildlife encounters. Preparation is key to staying safe in the wild. By taking simple precautions, you can minimize risks and enjoy your adventure. Research your destination. Learn about the local fauna and potential hazards. Pack appropriate gear, including a first aid kit and a whistle. Let someone know your itinerary. Stay on marked trails and avoid hiking alone. Be aware of your surroundings and trust your instincts. Remember, prevention is better than cure. By being prepared and informed, you can enjoy the wonders of nature safely and responsibly. Section 8. The importance of education and respect. Understanding wildlife is not about memorizing facts. It's about cultivating respect for creatures that share our planet. Knowledge empowers us to coexist peacefully. Educate yourself about animal behavior. Learn to identify tracks and signs. Share your knowledge with others and encourage responsible wildlife tourism. Support conservation efforts. Protect natural habitats. By preserving biodiversity, we ensure the survival of all creatures, including our own. Remember, we are part of an intricate web of life. Respecting animals and their habitats is crucial for maintaining a healthy planet for generations to come. Section 9. Conclusion. Thriving in the wild with knowledge and respect. The wild is a place of wonder and adventure. By approaching it with knowledge and respect, we can navigate its challenges and embrace its beauty. Remember, wild animals are not monsters to be feared. They are fascinating creatures playing vital roles in their ecosystems. By understanding their behavior, taking precautions, and promoting conservation, we can coexist harmoniously and ensure the wild thrives for generations to come. Let's venture into nature with awareness, appreciation, and a deep respect for all living things.